Hi guys, so today we're gonna be doing a new video. I am going to unbox something. I know this is not like the usual video you see, but because the last time I did unboxing, I opened the package, I play with it, and then I did a video. This is straight out the box. It just came in. It's currently 9:56 a.m. daytime. Okay, I don't know how to open. Okay. Okay, we got what is this? The flipping. Does it show it right? It shows it backwards. Wait. Oh, no. Ew, why do I do that? I'm sorry, I'm just... Huh? Wait. Yeah, okay, now you can see it better. You can, like... Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh, wait. But I got two motherfucking mags, and they both work. And I got both fucking mags, but there's one thing that I don't like for this. The tip, I don't like it at all. What's like the mag for it? Bro, wait. Okay, now I know. Second. Okay, but I was sleeping. Then my dad calls me, and he's like, "Go get the package. He's waiting for you." And boom. I just get something fast. Like dressing up as fast as I can. I don't want like the man waiting or going with my package. I'm running. 2, 5, 6, 7. But I'm trying to show something like on the camera. Okay, here are the bullets. And I like intentionally wanted the same, because they're gonna have the same mag. Okay, so let me not confuse them. This is the new one with the tip, with the red tip, and the old one has no tip and no trigger. 2, 4, 6. Now, one second. 5, 6, 7. Wait, can you even hear me? I hope so. Okay, let's get one and how it works. Get one and you get the shell. One second. And if you press this button, see, it shoots out. Okay, I need to hear the click because I can't hear it with my microphone. And then I'm gonna take you outside, should I? But then I don't know how to transfer, like, cause my camera is like a Logitech HD 180p. A Logitech is not like those camera that Speed Cubes, Kai, the one that you can like move around. No, this needs to be attached to the computer, to the tower. Here, see, like this is the wire of the thingy camera, but maybe I'm gonna like show like this something. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot I have more shells. Cause the first time I bought this, I got like more bullets. Cause there are more bullets for this. It's Glock 26 Gen. I think it's, wait a second, Gen 4. I don't want to show my brother, cause, oh, and I know which mag is from this. No. Should I have it on? Hell no. This is the old mag on the new gun. That fits me so perfectly. Let me get more bullets. Okay, I'm back. I just got the bullets there. It's not these, it's these. And I got way more stuff. I think I got Pokemons. Oh ho ho, you better see my Pokemons. Well, 1 second, let me just. One second, just because they're all backwards. Because I want to show him like better, not for you like to see. What is that doing down there? Charizard. Wait, Charizard. Oh, 120 HP. Charizard again. But they're probably fake, cause I bought them for like $1, 1 cent. Nah, it's not. Wait, Charizard GX. I don't got time to show them all, cause this video will be fucking 20 hours. Okay. Here I'm always stacked up. I'm always. The fuck is this? Oh, that's for my sniper. Yeah. Yeah. Did somebody break your heart? I don't give a. Let me just 1 second. Take everything out that isn't bullets. What's this? Bro, I didn't know that I had that. I didn't even know that I had it. Okay, now they're all. 1 second, let me just take this BB out. Did somebody break your heart? Okay, I have. Wait, 1 second, let me just assemble them because some are not, some are. Some are. 1 second, let me just. Never mind. See? Don't give a shit. These are like ball stars, I don't know. And these are my Pokemons, and these are the bullets. I'm sorry. Just can't. Oops. I just can't. I'm like, when I try to go this, it goes that way. Huh? It goes this way. I'm going this. Huh? Fuck it. Save it for the biscuit. I don't know what I'm even talking about. So I need 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just trying to do them real quick. 13 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna get to shooting. And just put the final one in and out. I say in. This is the old mag. This is the new mag. Boy, I haven't had this. Because one time I was playing with this. Boom, boom, boom. And then, pa, the trigger came off. Did somebody break your... Oh, wait, let me take... I know I'm just scared. I don't want to break it. Like, what the fuck? Take out the piece. Let me just... This is the old mag. Oh my god. Bro, what the fuck? These are like smaller. These are like bigger. Hope that. Oh, the fuck. Wait. Okay. Here's smaller. That's like the new type. Old magazine. I guess we need the this type. Bro, is it supposed to? Fuck it. My nose is kind of blocked, but I don't think it's gonna work though, but it doesn't, like, what do you want me to do? Bro, it doesn't even want to go in. Bro, what the fuck? It barely went in. I'm cooked. Does it even shoot? It doesn't. No, it doesn't. Bro. What the fuck, bro? Bro, why? Bro, because I wanted it to have 2 mags. What is this? No, there's one more. But I can fit one more. Where is? Oh, here. Goes right in the back. Bro. Do I need to whack it or something? I don't think so. This one actually shoots. Let's put now one bullet of this. Nah. Bro, are you serious? This isn't supposed to happen. Bro, see? What the fuck? Bro, are you serious? Cause now I'm not just gonna buy nah, I guess it. Bro, are you serious? Now with the other ones, it's gonna shoot. Look, with the smaller ones. Bro, I forgot. Fucking dumb. When you whack it too hard, like, and you can just let go of it, because it just needs to whack. This part goes back and just hits this part, because basically this is the firing pin. If you press this, it just, the bullet comes out. Oh, see, it perfectly works with the small one. Well, oh, and I forgot to say that it always gonna have like a bullet that's gonna be stuck the first bullet that's gonna be fired, the shell is gonna be stuck. I just know. I know something because I've seen something. See, now this goes in perfectly. Like, bro, what the let me just not put in the hole. Let me make sure I just don't break it. Okay, basically it can't work with 2 mags. Bro, I wanted it to work with 2 mags, bro. But it doesn't. Three, 4, 5. Bro, are you serious? Okay, guys, so I'm gonna end the video with here, and yep, peace.